Greetings to everyone in our channel. UK announces major changes in asylum policy. The UK government has launched a major overhaul of the asylum system through the plan, restoring order and control on 17 November 2025. The goal is to refuse more unsafe entry, speed up removals, and introduce a stricter, longer road to settlement. The plan brings in temporary protection, tighter rules, more checks, and more power to return people if their home country becomes safe. Changes will roll out from 2025 to 2028, shifting the system towards tougher monitoring and stronger removals, similar to Denmark's model. Main changes: co protection system. Refugees get 30 months of leave, renewed only if risk continues, settlement only after 20 years. Work and study road, a stricter pathway for faster settlement and limited family sponsorship. Support becomes discretionary, no automatic financial or housing help. Support can be refused or removed. Mandatory contributions. Those with savings income must pay towards living costs. Hidden funds can be recovered. Hotels phased out. People moved to large sites, including old military bases. Stronger illegal working enforcement. Wider right to work checks, including gig platforms workers and digital ID checks mandatory. More removals. Returns restart to safe countries, including those previously paused. Return hubs in safe third countries. Family removals prioritized. Visa penalties. Countries refusing to take back citizens may face visa restrictions. New appeal system. Single appeal model, tighter deadlines, fast tracking weak high harm cases. Stricter Article 8 and modern slavery rules to reduce misuse of family life and slavery crimes. Annual caps, yearly limits on safe and legal roads, more community sponsorship, new capped roads for skilled refugees and refugee students. Who is affected? Refugees, reassessed every 30 months. Permission may end if home country becomes safe. Faster settlement only via work-study route. Asylum seekers waiting. Support only for those who truly cannot support themselves and follow rules. Families. No automatic reunion. Pressure to leave if refused. Voluntary return payments up to £3,000. Illegal workers and employers, wider digital checks and higher penalties. Failed asylum seekers and offenders, faster removals, including to previously unsafe countries. Sponsors and institutions, bigger role in community sponsorship and kept roads. Timeline. Some parts have already begun. For example, modern slavery updates and age assessment tech. Major changes need new laws and continue through 2025-2026. Stopping hotel use and digital right to work checks depend on the parliamentary timetable. Human rights, European Convention on Human Rights. The UK will stay in the ECHR, but wants a reset of how Article 3 and Article 8 apply. Article 3 remains absolute, but the government wants clearer rules so removals can still take place when risk is disputed. Why these changes? The government says high asylum numbers, costs, and slow removals require a redesign. Supporters say it restores control. Critics warn about long term uncertainty and possible conflicts with international law. Follow LawSentis for more updates. If you have any questions, please book a consultation. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more UK immigration news and guidance.